Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Kat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. Everything about this wig will be in my description box below. She is coming from AliPearl Hair, so let's get started. So immediately, the hairline and how she is plucked, I'm blown away. I love how they already pre-plucked and pre-styled this unit. Of course, she is a glueless unit. If you want to rock her glueless, you can. I will be putting on adhesive today. I am going to do a deep side part for the style. So of course you have to mold and you have to really tame and train the hair. So I am using my Nairobi foaming mousse to kind of mold her down. Right off the back, this hair is super soft. This hair was so pretty. To be honest, I've been rocking this wig because I filmed this review so long ago, y'all. I've been rocking this wig ever since. I am using that Kiss adhesive spray. As y'all can see, the hairline is beautiful. This lace is thin yet durable. I have not put no makeup on just yet. I didn't put nothing on this lace, so this was definitely a easy unit to put on. So right now I'm just going in to just give this hair some layers, give her some body, some volume. There's no huge technique that I kind of do. I just go in and kind of guesstimate which strand I want to cut. Fortunately, she didn't tangle up and she didn't shed. With the hair being so soft and silky, the curls were just like butter. But of course, the curls are going to fall if you don't put some type of holding spray in it. I didn't want to put a lot of product in it, so I didn't put no type of spritz and spray. I just wanted the hair to fall however it was going to fall. How I am feeling about this unit. Like I said, the pros of this unit, she's very soft, she's very manageable, she doesn't shear, she doesn't tangle. And even after this video and me wearing her multiple times as well, she still doesn't shear, she doesn't tangle. I have not washed her just yet, but so far so good as far as maintenance wise. The hairline was plucked beautifully. The construction of the unit was real good. I didn't have any cons with this unit. So that concludes today's video. I would like to thank AliPearl for sending me this unit to review for you guys. Like I said, this unit and the purchase link will be in my description box below. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.